99% of people look completely foolish when they open a bank account.
Wait, really? What are they saying wrong?
They walk into the bank and say, "I want to put my money here." It sounds totally unprofessional.
Oh no. What should we say instead to sound like a native speaker?
Today, you will learn the exact terms to sound fluent, confident, and avoid hidden fees.
I'm ready. What is the first thing I need to know?
First, never just ask for a bank account. You must specify if you want a checking account or a savings account.
What's the difference? Aren't they the exact same thing?
Not at all. A checking account is for your daily spending and expenses, connected to a debit card.
Ah. So that is where my daily cash goes for buying coffee or groceries.
Exactly. And a savings account is where you store money long-term to earn interest over time.
So, I should say, I'd like to open a checking account?
Perfect. That tells the bank clerk exactly what you need.
Got it. Checking for daily cash, savings for long-term holding.
Now, lesson 2. You must ask about monthly maintenance fees.
Maintenance fees? Do banks actually charge me just to keep my money there?
Yes, they do. Unless you meet certain requirements, like maintaining a minimum balance.
Ah, so I should ask, is there a minimum balance to waive the monthly fee?
Brilliant. The word waive means to eliminate or cancel the fee.
That is a great word to know. What other fees should I ask about?
Always ask about overdraft fees. That is when you spend more money than you actually have.
Ouch. I definitely want to avoid those costly penalties.
Next up, lesson 3, you must bring proof of address and an initial deposit.
What counts as proof of address? Can I just show my tourist passport?
No, a passport only proves your identity. For proof of address, you need a utility bill or a lease agreement.
Ah, like a water bill or electricity bill with my name on it.
Exactly. And do you know what the initial deposit is?
Is that the first amount of money I have to put into the account to activate it?
Spot on. You should ask, what is the minimum initial deposit required?
This is so helpful. I feel way more confident already.
Let's put everything you learned into a real-life roleplay. I'll be the banker, you be the customer. Ready? Go. Welcome to Global Bank. How can I help you today?
Hello. I would like to open a checking account, please.
Certainly. Do you have your ID and proof of address with you today?
Yes, I have my passport and a recent utility bill right here.
Perfect. Please note there is a $12 monthly maintenance fee on this checking account.
I see. Is there a minimum daily balance required to waive that fee?
Yes, if you keep at least $1,500 in the account, we will waive the fee.
Great. And what is the minimum initial deposit to get started?
It is just $50. Will you be depositing cash or a check today?
I will make an initial deposit of $100 in cash. Also, does this account have overdraft protection?
Yes, we can set up overdraft protection for you right away.
Excellent, let's go ahead with that.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me. Is there a minimum balance to waive the fee?
Go on, say it out loud, or type your answer in the comments below right now.
Did you do it? Fantastic work. Practice makes perfect.
To recap, specify checking or savings, ask about waiving maintenance fees, and bring proof of address.
Exactly. Do these 3 steps and you will sound like a native financial expert.
And you will protect your hard-earned money from hidden charges.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
See you in the next lesson.